And we want to check in on another community hurting right now. That's in Grainger County. Here is Emily Crabtree with more on the situation there. Emily?
Yeah, John, crews have also been working all day out here in Grainger County at this farm in Thorn Hill. Now, the coffee farm has been kind of a sight to see throughout the day. As you can see, the barn behind me has been destroyed by the EF-1 tornado that came through last night. Now, that structure was 90 years old. The National Weather Service says the damage that they saw from this farm shocked them.
The barn that was destroyed was pretty impressive. The fellow we talked to who owns the barn, he said it was a 90-year-old barn, been there for a very long time, very sturdy barn that was well built. It was just completely destroyed.
Now, some of the items that were inside of that barn and around this area even flew over to some of the neighbors' yards, is what they told me earlier, like a food trough and some of the roofing from some of these other buildings. Now, later on, we will be able to tell you a little bit more with meteorologist Mike Simon about what's been going on with this tornado, how it started, everything like that. But for now, Robin, we'll send things back to you.
All right, Emily, live in Morgan County for us, or in Grainger County. Thank you very much. Up next.